Keeping your hearing aids clean is crucial for making sure they always work at their best, as earwax and dust build up over time. In this video, we'll illustrate how to clean different parts of your Orka hearing aids. We suggest cleaning your hearing aids after each use or at least 2 or 3 times per week to keep them in good condition. Here are the tools you will need for this process. A brush, which you can find in the package box, dry cloth or a tissue, and an alcohol pad that is used to clean the hearing aid domes. For the main device, gently brush over the hearing aid body with the brush. This is where the microphone is on your hearing aid. Dust and debris can easily build up here. Make sure you don't miss this part while cleaning the main body. After brushing, take a dry cloth and wipe the hearing aids. If you don't have a dry cloth with you, use tissue paper instead. Please note that we do not suggest using anything containing chemical solvents, as they might cause harm to your hearing aids and lead to malfunctioning. To clean your domes, pull them off the main device before you start cleaning. Use an alcohol pad to wipe over the domes both inside and outside. Then take out your brush again. Use the wired end on the opposite side to clean the tiny vent holes on your dome. Insert the wire and push out the dust and earwax collecting around the holes. After cleaning is complete, put the domes back on and check whether they're securely placed by slightly pulling on them. For more accessories, contact us at support@hiorka.com.